This is Kevin Keene with OutdoorFL.com, and it's asked a lot of times, what do we do? Well, if you zoom around, this is what we do. We've just added about 4,000 square feet of flooring. The folks over at Pools by Ice, who's working with us on this project, is finishing up a gorgeous pool, hot tub. Up here is a pergola, but what we love about this pergola is it has a roof. Why do it if you're not going to do it right? And doing it right gives you rain protection, especially in Florida. And as you can see up here, we're doing the finishing touches on the roofing, and then we're putting a beautiful tongue-and-groove cypress ceiling in. The topic for today is roofs on pergolas. Well, we've got a roof on this pergola that's going to protect us from the rain, but we've also wanted to finish this off with a ceiling. I love tongue-and-groove. I love running it the long way to make it look deeper, and I love staining it with a special treatment that allows it to bond and create almost like an acrylic finish down here in Florida, so that you don't have to restain it every 5-10 years. That's important to us. If you're going to do an outdoor ceiling like this, make sure you include lighting. This lighting in this case, what we have is over the bar area and over the kitchen area. It'll all be on a dimmer switch in addition to a fan that will circulate the air on hot days like we get down here in Florida. If you have any questions like this, consult your local contractor or us at OutdoorFL.com. And remember, it's your home. Do it right.